Good morning to you guys. Drop it like it's hot. You guys want me to do a video on my airlift settings? Because I have 1, 2, 3 settings, and then the low and super high. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you guys want me to do them. You guys have to look at this fucking pizza. It's fucking huge. Pizza is huge.
That's what she said.
Dude.
Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
Damn, look at this pizza.
What they deliver?
What's up, dude?
Going, man?
How the pizza is freaking huge.
There you go. Bring like a forklift to get it in.
Dude.
They burn it through that door right
They're
there.
local to us in Fontana. Check them out, but I haven't even seen the inside yet. Hold on. Woo! You need 2 hands for this one. God. That's what she said. Damn.
That's the one that snack size.
Oh my god.
These are snack size.
I don't get it.
Okay, guys.
Look, he just pointed out that there's no grease. I'm holding it with my hand and my hands aren't greasy. I'm gonna take you guys somewhere. You guys ready? Ooh, took you to the car. Funny because I used to do these transitions a lot and I freaking missed them. But I'm actually gonna take you home. We're gonna change really quick. And guess where we're going? You guys already know because of the title, duh. Let's go buy a truck. Hey, for real, let's teleport to somewhere interesting. Let's go. Boop, bam. And we're here. Guess where we are? Ooh, the land of truck. Do you like it? Yeah, it fits you. Okay, hop into the big truck. That's a big freaking truck. Oh my goodness. This thing is made for big boys. I feel like I need a cowboy hat now. Check this out. Man, I feel like an American for sure. My biggest concern is how it feels to be inside a lane. Like, hips. That's good. That's not that bad. Everyone makes it seem like you're gonna be riding the lanes all the time. My butt is cool because of this button right here. Let's take this baby onto the freeway. I'm keeping up with you, big rig. I can see inside. I can bet you have no pants on. You want to run for pinks, bro? No? Okay, so first impressions, I like. Smooth, smells good, but it's nice and cool because it has ventilated seats. It's not bouncy, and I am not straddling the lanes like everyone says. Like, oh, you're gonna be riding the lanes. Like, it's actually pretty easy. Look at that, spoiler on a Camaro. Very rare. Look, it's the SICK 2000. Look at Subaru. Hi. Man, these hips are freaking huge. I've got a wide body now, guys. See? I'm cool now. Okay, so we're parked. We're gonna check out another Chevy.
Yeah,
we'll check out a Chevy.
Ram 2. We're gonna check out a Chevy and a Ram 2500.
Cool. Check out 2 more before I make a decision, but I want to show you guys the interior really quick. Okay, cool. I messed with these gauges while I was driving. Really cool. You got a digital dash right here. Move across your miles per hour, your temperature, your gas, your fuel, and all that good stuff. Actually, it doesn't use gas, it's diesel now. Or 4-wheel drive. So you got a key, trailer brake. That's kind of like the Jake brake you were talking about, right?
Yep, exhaust brake.
Sweet exhaust brake. Oh, look, this is handy right here. Need that for the computer for sure. I can hide my guns in here now. Oh wow, look, you got a tray now, Iris. What do you guys think? Okay, so the biggest reason why we picked this one has the Mega cab, which you have storage right back here. And then you have this seat over here. Gosh, Iris. And there's a lot of legroom, as you guys can see. Look at this. Love, how was the ride? Did you enjoy it? No. 2014 Ram 3500 dually, which is pretty cool. Now, some of you guys will argue if there's a need or not need. There's probably not a need right now for me, just because I'm not going to do anything crazy. But the price is right. Why not? Next up is this one. Looks the same, but except not a dual. Ooh, it has a cover already. Oh yeah.
Spray on bed liner. Got the gooseneck hooked up already in the back.
It'll fit like 25 Asians back there. Okay. This guy probably thinks I'm weird. Interior of this is a limited.
A little bit of special trim on it.
Special trim for this one. Okay. Also butt coolers. Sunroof. Cool. This is a limited. Oh, the dash is a little different here. That's cool. Nice.
And yeah, you have heated seats back here as well.
It has 46,000 miles. The other one had 49,000. Same year you said. This one's a limited. That's a Laramie. This is a non-dually. That's a dually. Yo, this has a belt buckle back here. What the hell? Does this come with a cowboy hat? Good old trucks and trailer. Come on. I'm so sorry. That's why you don't go in public with me, Aaliyah. Iris, there's so much cum around me. Heavy dookie, huh? Got pussy. There's a lot of pussy here. He said don't feed the pussy, yeah? This is our Iris and I first time enter into the truck market, which is really fun and exciting because it's so different. Yeah, stroke it. Look how big this shit is.
What the?
Omar, I think I found your Ferrari. Whoa, witchcraft. That thing just done started up by itself. Wow, look at the difference. The 15 front is so pretty. Look at the difference. You guys already know I'm a big Chevy guy, so like I gotta at least entertain the idea of getting a Chevy. Oh yeah, good old Chevy. You guys already know I love Chevys. First car was a Chevy, third car was a Chevy. I think my fifth car was another Chevy. And now we have a 68 Camaro with a Chevy and I love it. I don't know, it doesn't feel like a truck, it feels like a car. Which I guess is not a bad thing. Ah, the interior is a lot smaller, holy shit. Here's the interior of the Chevy, or the rear seats. Look how much smaller it is compared to the Ram that we were over there. Bed is bigger, fifth wheel. This one's pretty. This one's 1 year earlier, or newer. And wow, the interior is way different. Holy crap, the interior completely changed from 14, which is an excess, to 15. Look at this. It's way different. Better. I really like the Chevy one. 15, Duramax, Allison Tranny, everyone says it's really good. It's pretty spacious in the back. Damn, this decision just got a lot harder. This one's really nice. That's a rough one. Yo, what is this one, GMC? Essentially it's the same as a Chevy. Usually they have a lot more interesting stuff inside. Open. This one was broed out because it's tinted like crazy. Iris said it's just not as spacious as the Ram, which I completely understand.
Spacious as the Ram because I can't ram you in there.
Oh my God, this is a child-friendly, family-friendly episode. What do you think, love? What do you think? Mama? You think Mama? Huh? This is how you hold a baby, if you guys need to know. JDM for life, bro. Go run the Chevy. 3,500?
3,500, yeah.
Nice, Duramax. This is highly recommended by a lot of you guys too. Immediately what I notice is I have to press the pedal a bit more to get it going.
Really?
Yeah, on this one.
You know the bed is longer. Compared to the Ram we were looking at, the bed is probably about 2 feet longer, 1.5, 2 feet.
It's a big boy. First impressions, it's a Chevy, man, damn. And it feels very familiar to the Yukon that we rented and then X's Denali that we had. So, very familiar. This one has a little bit of more modern comforts that we're familiar with, even like the turn signals on the side mirrors. Huh. Yeah, what? Holy crap, this is such a hard decision. It's very comfortable. The modern comforts of this car right here is very nice. The side mirrors, interior, feels very good and premium. What I describe this is, this one is like modern comfort, man meets work meets ruggedness. That one right there, you're just a straight up rancher. You're like, I'm a cow, I don't know, man. This is a rough freaking decision. Ugh, look at that. America, look at this, Chevy America. I never thought this would be such a hard decision. Try not to be biased about the color. Damn. What do you guys think though? That's good. Okay. Which one? I love the Chevy look. It looks amazing. They're similar miles. Close-ish to the same price. This one is awesome. Look at them hips though. Look at this interior. America's finest. It's a Ram. It's cool. Look at the amount of space. I think our biggest importance is space, interior for passengers, baby, dogs, and all that good stuff. The bed is shorter. Chevy, super modern comfort. I like the dash, it looks good. Penis. Back seat is a bit smaller. Back seat's a bit smaller though. Look at the spacing, smaller. Bed is bigger on the Chevy. About 2 feet you said?
Yeah, about 2 feet.
About 2 feet. A lot shorter, but we will have a trailer to haul everything too, so. See? And look, the back seat on this one. Lots of space, plus back space. I'm in a very tight, crazy dilemma. Good old Chevy, good old Ram. This is super pretty, but this is smart for towing. Yeah. Ah. Okay, Iris is in both seats. She's in the back seat for some reason, testing out and trying to make a decision. I wonder why. She's currently checking it out, trying to figure out what she likes more. She actually made a comment like, can we just wrap this black? Maybe she likes Dodge. A hard decision, man. Like, this is honestly like a working man's vehicle right here, which is really nice. But that one over there is just so badass and cool. All right, Elliot, make a decision for us. Which one do you like, love? That didn't help at all. Sitting in the driver's seat didn't help.
lay in between them and see what happens.
Now I'm gonna sell the salesman a Tesla.
This thing is like a freaking giant iPad.
It's
better than an iPad.
This thing is freaking awesome. I love it. All right, guys, we're back home. I want you guys to help me decide which truck to get. You pinched my face. Oh, which one do you want? You guys want to pick either the Ram or the Chevy? Which one do you want? And let me know the reasons why in the comments, because it's really important to pick a truck that's kind of like, this is what we're looking for. Spacious, heavy duty for the towing capacity, style, comfort. You can see why it's so difficult, because they all have it. They have strengths in one side and weaknesses on the same side, and then flip to the other one. So it's hard to decide. Yes, let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned, because the next morning, which is the next vlog, I'm gonna go early in the morning and pick up the truck. So you guys gotta stay tuned, but I wanna hear your opinions. Thanks for watching. Thank you from the family. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.